In this tutorial, I will show you how to add accent marks in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva home page, click Create a Design and open any canvas size you want. You can choose an Instagram post or any other design format. After the canvas opens, go to the text section and add a text box to your design. Type the word you want to edit. To add an accent mark, place your cursor where the letter should appear with the accent. You can type the accented letter directly if your keyboard supports it, such as A, N, E, U or A. If your keyboard does not support accent marks, open a new browser tab and search for the accented letter you need. Copy the letter with the accent and paste it into your Canva text box. Once the accented character is pasted into the text, adjust the font, size and style so the text looks clean and consistent. Some fonts may display accent marks better than others, so you can try switching fonts if needed. After your text looks correct, continue editing your design as needed. When everything is ready, click Share and then download to save your final design.